Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings now. You need to be signed in and, if it's a work laptop, have admin rights, otherwise request permission. Once ready, press the Windows key then type Settings, or click the gear icon on macOS via the Apple menu. Make sure notifications won't interrupt you by enabling Do Not Disturb briefly. That prevents losing focus during changes and ensures the UI updates visibly when you switch modes. Once in Settings, find Appearance or Display. This is where theme controls live. On Windows, go System then Display or Personalization and Colors. On macOS, open Appearance in System Settings. You'll see Dark, Light, and sometimes Auto options. Choose Light to disable dark mode, or Auto to follow schedule or sunrise/sunset. Make sure to scroll for per app options because some apps override system theme. If you want an immediate preview, open a File Explorer or browser window to confirm the change. Finalize by selecting Light and applying settings, then close and reopen key apps so they refresh and adopt the new theme. If you used Auto, make sure time or location services are enabled so schedules work correctly. If nothing changes, reboot the laptop, check for pending OS updates, or toggle Auto off and back on to force the switch. If settings are grayed out, the device may be managed. Contact IT. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves blocked theme changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.